Hi guys, I'm Richard. I'm a software developer for OCLC America. They are positioned in Dublin, Ohio, and a lot more places, but that's their headquarters. I am working at the office in the Netherlands. My programming language I use is Java, and that's just the language you can use to make some nice Minecraft plugins for the Spigot server. Spigot is a microserver you can download and use on your own computer. So I will put a link in the description down below. I wanted to make some cool games for Erik and Owen, and before I make those games, I have developed some special features for myself that could make it a lot easier for me to create the games, and I just want to show it to you. So this is a local microserver, it's not available on the internet. And before I continue, I want to say that I am having some jump cuts in this video, because every now and then I have to do some preparation before I show you the features, and I don't want to bore you with everything while I'm setting everything up. First I can show you this. You won't see the mouse pointer, but I hope you see some change on the screen. That's our logo from the YouTube channel, and this is our server. So if I go in, you will see that I will join the world, and I am logged in as Tele-grave, so this is the account from my son. The server is running on my own computer, so I am testing and showing this for you on his account. And I will be back in a moment. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is the copy function. There are two blocks, a copy from and a copy to block. And what it does, you have to place one on the ground and another one, for example, over here. And one more on this side. So everything between these two blocks gets copied to a file, and you can give the file name yourself. So if I place a sign on here and I say, for example, test, and then I click the left mouse button, it has copied the entire tree that was between the two blocks to a test YML file. You can use that file name on a special sign I am going to show you in a moment. That's the paste sign, and wherever you place the paste sign and you fill in the name for the file, in this case test, and it will place the tree. Oh, before I forget, there's something else I have implemented in this plugin, and that's I have created a in-game memory. So each player has his own memory in the server, and that's for use with the special blocks. For example, every player can place one from block and a 1-2 block, or some other special block like this. For example, I place a from block here, and if I place one next to it, it will be replaced. So you can't mess things up, and it won't get in the way for other players. And now let's go to the paste sign. Okay, I wanted to find a nice spot to test it on, so I'm going to place the paste sign here. That's another recipe on this server I have created. You can also place only one, because it also has a in-game memory. And done. You can look, if I hover over it, what it says. It's a glow from an enchant. You can set to the item in the recipe. And now if I click the left mouse button, you see the tree from the test file, and you can do this as often as you want. So if I place another, and there it is. And now I'm going to do some preparations for the destroy block. That's also fun to see. So back in a moment. Alright, I have placed a from block very deep below the earth and a 2 block here on this mountain. I hope I don't lose the connection because I have put them very far apart, and well, it's very intensive for the server. So let's see how it turns out. I have to place a redstone torch on it to activate it, and here it goes. I hope it could take a while. Oh, yes, there it is. It took a lot of time because it were a lot of blocks to replace with the air block. So you can see I have put it way over there under the ground, and this way you can remove everything that's in your way. And now I will show you the last block, and I will be right back after the preparations. Okay, so I have also made a recipe on the server for a paste block. What this actually does is you can place on multiple signs a file name you've saved before. So these are just normal signs, not special signs. And if you use this block with the right click, for example on this one with the land, then you can place land everywhere. And if you need to switch between something else, for example this flowers, then you can place flowers. Also made one for the water, and this is a big piece. You can save whatever you want. So it does some calculations in what kind of direction you are standing to place this. So there's a lot of calculating for the server to do. This is not something that comes out of the box with Spigot, so you have to create it all for yourself. And it took me some time, but I think this would help me a lot if I want to create some nice games for Erik and Owen. Especially to save them to a file, so you can implement the game everywhere in the Minecraft server. So that's actually all I can show at this point. I also want to make a YouTube counter so I can see how many subscribers we have, and maybe if we have some special number of subscribers like 100 or 1000, that firework can be shoot in the air. And well, yeah, that's just it for now, and I hope I have another video for you in the near future. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.